Last week, traders became concerned about the rising risks of the global recession. In Europe, the business activity indexes turned out to be lower than expected. While in Europe, data on the business activity was well above the forecast in the United States, the situation was the opposite. However, on a Friday, traders did not show any reaction. It seems that they were recovering after 2 days of meetings held by the main central banks. Today, the euro and the pound sterling are confidently gaining in value. Analysts suppose that it's a delayed reaction to the data disclosed on a Friday. In addition, Germany published quite positive reports. The business climate indicator turned out to be better than expected. The sentiment improved despite high inflation and the ongoing energy crisis in Europe. The indicator climbed to 88.6 points, showing the best performance since August. However, experts in fundamental analysis suppose that the greenback's downward potential is over, and traders have to search for new reasons for a rise in the European currencies. However, in the first part of the week, the macroeconomic calendar is almost empty. In the near future there is no news, traders will again shift the attention to the disparity of the key interest rates. This in turn will boost the US dollar. The euro closed the previous week with a decline against the US dollar. As a result, the currency dropped by about 150 pips from the high of the uptrend. The level of 1.07 acted as an intermediate resistance level. The quote broke 1.06 but failed to settle below it. As a result, the pair advanced without violating the structure of the downward movement. From a technical point of view, the pair may continue falling if it settles below 1.0570. In this case, it may slide to 1.05. According to the alternative scenario, the pair may touch their support level of 1.06. In the event of this, it may start hovering within the range of 1.06 and 1.0670, which may point to a future movement of the pair. Although the market volatility reached 100 pips, the pound-dollar pair was mostly stagnant. The pair entered the sideways channel, whereas the market sentiment was mainly bearish. However, the quote failed to settle below 1.2150. And under the current conditions, the range formed along 1.2150 points to the accumulation process, and thus we could see an outgoing impulse, which is expected to indicate a further direction of the pair. The upward scenario will be considered by traders if the price consolidates above 1.20 to 30 on the 4-hour chart. In this case, traders are likely to open more positions with a target at 1.2300. The downward scenario will become possible if the price settles below 1.2100 on the 4-hour chart, and this may allow the price to return to the psychological level of 1.20. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.